And the winner of the New Air beverage cooler in beautiful stainless steel and black is
What up, everybody? Welcome to Witness Goodness. I am Graham, your host and collaborator in life, meaning I'm not entirely sure. We are going to whitewash or begin to whitewash this wall. And before we do that, I just want to come alongside you because I know that some of you think I should leave the wood. Some of you think I should stain it honey or dark. And although I am listening and do read all your comments, I've been torn. It's been hard for me. I'm a people pleaser. I want you to be happy. I want my wife to be happy. I want my friends and neighbors, well, I don't really have neighbors, but I want my friends who I haven't seen in months. So I guess it's really just you guys. I want everyone to be happy. So ultimately I've taken everyone's considerations into consideration. And I've decided I'm going to whitewash my walls. I am going to paint the ceiling or the sheathing, and I'm going to stain the beams. Okay? It was a resounding whitewash, paint, and stain answer. So before we start whitewashing, we're just gonna finish preparing the windows for trim. So I got some scrap, well it's not really scrap, but I have some pine left over. So I wanna just put it here, and then I'm gonna use my my roundover bit to, cut out the window and make sure everything is good there. Without further ado, let's get after it! Guys, this is awesome. I don't know, I mean it's a whitewash, but it's not like aggressive. It's really nice. It's not too much at all. Do see a couple spots there. Just want to blend that a bit. Wow. It just really brightens up the wood. That's the difference right there. Really brightens it up. Oh, it almost looks kind of like Swedish or, what's the word? Vikings. What's the word? It looks Scandinavian. Yes, Scandinavian. I love it. Well, when in Rome, I guess we just keep doing it. I hope you guys are enjoying this relaxing time lapse of me staining or whitewashing the wood. I know it's not aggressively entertaining, but it's just supposed to
relax with woodness, goodness, as he baptizes his cabin walls in whitewash.
enjoy. It's just one of those days, you know? Feeling slightly less motivated, but you know, working on the cabin's good for the soul. That's something I've realized. Sometimes I think I work on the cabin because I, want to put an episode out for you guys to enjoy and keep the excitement around the Woodness Goodness YouTube channel. And other times I want to just work on it so I can start moving on to the next project. It's very hard for me to not just start working on another project as this thing is starting to wrap up, because that's my personality. I like to just dip my taco chip in all the salsas at the same time, I just want to, will it taste a little bit better if I have a little Cholula on it, or throw a little Hank sauce? I don't know if you've had Hank sauce, but you gotta look it up, it's delish. Like, I like dipping my chips in all the dips, you know what I'm saying? From a project perspective. But sometimes there's days where you just look at this and you're like, ugh. I don't think I have that much more to do, but I look at it, I'm like, oh wow, I still have a lot more to do. But that's just part of the things that come along with doing a project. It is never as easy as it looks. Sometimes it's more fun than it looks. Sometimes it's less fun than it looks. But ultimately, you just gotta close your eyes and swing. Well, I just have a little bit of whitewashing to go, and then I think we're gonna start working on staining the beams and painting the ceiling. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. It's very encouraging. I love all the comments. I appreciate you guys. Let's keep working, shall we?
No, it's not treats. It's just paper. Can you help me? Come here, Jax. Come on. Good boy. Sit right here. No, no, no. Your mom cannot see that you just tried to get on her favorite leather couch. All right, sit, Jack. Just sit. Can you face the camera? Good boy. He's just way too excited right now. I know. We're about to give away this fridge. We're about to select the winner. I randomly selected 20 names, 10 from the first video where not the first video, but the first video where I mentioned the giveaway of this Nuaire stainless cooler. And just the last episode, I picked 10 names from that as well. I hand wrote all those names in this bowl, and now I'm gonna select a random winner with the help of Jackson. Jackson, sit. Okay, yeah, you're sitting. Stay. Just stay right there. Just stay right there. Stay. Stay, Jackson. Okay? Good boy, Jackson. No. Okay, you're too much. All right, guys, this is for the winner of the Nuaire cooler. I have 20 names in here. 19 of those names will get sticker packs, but there's only one grand prize winner. And I hate doing this because all your comments were awesome. If it was up to me, you'd all get fridges or you'd all get red Corvettes. I mean, one or the other. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm about to change someone's life with a fridge. And the winner of the Nuaire beverage cooler in beautiful stainless steel and black is Mike Callahan. Congratulations, buddy. You got yourself an ice cold frosty beverage cooler. Well, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate your support. Hope you liked the episode. I've already started filming the next episode, so we're ahead of schedule. Actually, here's a clip for the episode to come, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.